Types and list of heavy construction equipment Part 5. Trailers. A trailer is a vehicle that is not powered and is towed by a vehicle that is powered. It is frequently used to move commodities and resources. Trailers can refer to recreational vehicles, travel trailers, or mobile homes with minimal living facilities where people can camp or stay. Cranes. A crane is a machine that can lift and lower goods as well as move them horizontally. It is usually equipped with a hoist rope, wire ropes, or chains, and sheaves. It is mostly used to lift heavy objects and carry them to different locations. Conveyors are a type of mechanical material handling equipment that transports goods from one area to another. Conveyors are very useful in applications where large or bulky products must be transported. Forklifts. A forklift is a self-propelled industrial truck that is used to lift and transport items over short distances. Various firms, including Clark, which built transmissions, and Yaletown Manufacturing, which made hoists, created the forklift in the early 20th century. Hoists. A hoist is a device that lifts or lowers a cargo using a rope or chain wrapped around a drum or lift wheel. It can be operated manually, electrically, or pneumatically, and it can hoist with chain, fiber, or wire rope. For more information call 469-370-7501 or visit interstateheavyequipment.com.